Hello everybody, my name is Jim and I am a teacher, trainer, manager and blogger at SpongeELT, and I'm also going to be presenting at TESOL France 2021. A huge thank you to the organisers there. My workshop is titled Developing Teachers' Assessment Literacy through Consensus Moderation Workshops. You're probably wondering what that means, and in fact that's one of the first things that we're going to be looking at in this workshop. What is consensus moderation? I do need to stress that it is a workshop, so we will be doing things. So I'm going to ask you to talk about your experiences with assessment and perhaps the training that's been provided to you regarding assessment. Within the workshop, we're going to be looking at a number of workshop ideas that trainers, managers, and perhaps even individuals can implement in their own context to help increase teachers' awareness of exam criteria, the exams themselves, and also increasing inter and intra-rater reliability. Two very important concepts. Why is this important? Well, I think the first thing that needs to be said is that high-stakes exams are quite commonplace within language teaching. Yet the amount of training and support that is provided to teachers, especially teachers in their junior years, is often quite low and unsatisfactory in my mind. And so I feel that whilst exam bodies can provide external training, there's a need for trainers and managers within the local context to start providing these situations in which teachers can be supported in trying to make the exams that they're preparing their learners for, for their learners quite successful, and being able to operate with them confidently. So that's the main reason for this workshop. I do hope to see you all there, and I'm sure there are many other amazing workshops as well. And so I look forward to hearing your comments, your feedback, and of course to seeing you around. All right, everybody, take care. Bye.